How to fix currently this hardware device is not connected to the computer code 45 error on your Windows. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are facing this problem on your device, it could be because of the hardware device or driver problem. So on today's video, we'll be discussing about 3 such ways by which you can fix this issue. To get started with, open your device manager and then search for network adapters. Click on the drop-down icon and then search for your network adapter driver. Right-click on it and then update the driver. Once updated, try to rectify and use the hardware device again. If the issue still persists, let's move on to another solution. For this, right-click on it again and go to Properties. Click on the Driver tab and then click on the Rollback Driver button if it is enabled and tap on OK. This should probably work, however, if it does not, let's move on to the next solution. For this, you can try to reinstall the driver again. Before that, right-click on it and uninstall the device completely. And then to reinstall, tap on the Action button or tab on the top and click on Scan for hardware changes. This should probably fix the issue. However, if it does not, you can use this command or the hardware driver troubleshooting on your Windows. For this, open the Run tab and type in the first command, which is msdt.exe-id device diagnostic. Once this is done, it will scan the hardware changes or detect the problem of hardware and try to resolve it. Likewise, you can also apply next method, which is command prompt. Open your command prompt, run it as administrator and give it the command for checking the disk. So these are today's solution that you can try on. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.